I believe that brevity is the soul of wisdom, not just wit. In January this year, the Supreme Court not just dismissed a plea by a political party which claimed that EVM was controlled by some companies, they also imposed a 50,000 rupee fine for the petitioner for putting in a frivolous case. You will not talk about all this. The Supreme Court refused to entertain a plea alleging irregularities in EVMs. And by the way, Mr. Sabharwal ji, 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute.
BJP has created a doubt in the minds of the thousands, lakhs of crores of people, billions of people.
One minute. Sanju, 1 minute. I need 10 seconds and then you respond. In 2017, Justice Chelameshwar was sitting on the bench and a lawyer, politician, whatever, Kapil Sibal came before him. And he said, I question the credibility of EVMs. You know what Justice Chelameshwar said? Romesh ji, idhar dekhiye. Kaha, Mr. Sibal, you are the person, your party introduced EVMs. Then how can you blame it? And how can you say no other country uses it? No, but you are lying to people. 1 minute. Sir, listen to me. Sir, अच्छा, system ठीक करने वाली बात है. अच्छा, तो मुझे बताइए, viewers, I'll tell you. Sanju, now 1 minute. I ask you, viewers, you got two options: booth capturing or EVMs. Romesh Sabharwal says EVMs को रोको, booth capturing में वापस जाओ. That's it. The Supreme Court has said it's a remedy. Was booth capturing not a reality in your time? आपने booth capturing की नहीं की? मुझे क्या पता? मैंने नहीं की, आपने की, आप बताइए. आप करते हैं. I don't know. मैं politics में नहीं हूँ. आप booth capturing आप करते हैं. आप करते हैं booth capturing. आप बताइए, आप expert हैं booth capturing में. Sanju is on the debate. 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 Sanju is on the debate.
You should ask.
Abhishek, Sanju is on the debate. Now. Abhishek, don't. Sanju is on. Ramesh ji, don't behave badly, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Arnab, you know, one very interesting argument which I've been hearing from the other side about EVMs on various debates is that EVMs are manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited. And you know, Bharat Electronics Limited तो एक PSU है, you know, so the Modi government has dominant stake in public sector enterprises. तो यहाँ पर hacking की possibility है. So let me tell them one very interesting thing that I found out while doing research on this issue. That there are two series of EVMs which are being used. One series which was manufactured in 2004 and the other series which was manufactured in 2008.
Why did you remove the Honorable Chief Justice of India from the committee? बताइए ना, इलेक्शन कमीशन पे नियंत्रण करना चाहते हैं आप लोग. आपका पॉलिटिकल टूल बन गए हैं.
Anmol, I'll come to you. Let her finish.
No, actually, she must
Anmol, don't do this. Anmol, have some respect for the election commission.
You failed to moderate the
सर वो रिजाइन करके चले गए. उन्होंने खुद ही बता दिया.
अब क्या किसने बता दिया? आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं? आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं? ये वो झूठ है. ये वो झूठ है. Come here. 1 minute. Romesh Sabharwal ji, let me test your सामान्य ज्ञान, your general knowledge, your common knowledge. Give me a moment. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Okay. Anmol and Sanju. Thank you. Anmol, I'll ask you one question. Since you doubt the EVMs, my question is to you, Anmol.
Are you for real?
My question is to Anmol. Since he doubts the EVM, please put the paper down. Anmol, listen to me. What is the double randomization process? Anmol, what is the double randomization process?
No, you ask him the EVMs.
Anmol, आपके सामान्य ज्ञान की टेस्ट करते हुए मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, what is the double randomization process? Sanju, what is the double randomization process? What is the double Sanju, don't let him get away because I'm checking his knowledge. Sanju, please don't do this. What is the double randomization process?
हमारे सामान्य ज्ञान को टेस्ट करने की बजाय आप केवल इस चीज पे ध्यान दीजिए कि हमारी मांग ये है कि वीवीपैट जो है वो सारी काउंट होनी चाहिए. The only demand is that 50% of the वीवीपैट
भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की एक फैक्ट्री तो हैदराबाद में है जहां कांग्रेस सत्ता में है, दूसरी फैक्ट्री भी
आप बताइए ना, आप लोगों को पहले ये बताइए कि आपने चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया को उस कमेटी से बाहर क्यों रखा? जब संविधान बेंच ने जजमेंट दिया था, when the constitution bench delivered a judgment, why did you remove the chief justice of India from the committee? Because you were scared.
मैं अपने
Because
बच्चों
the
की
election
कसम
commission
खाता
is
हूं,
not working.
कभी राजनीति नहीं ज्वाइन करूंगा। मैं अपने बच्चों की कसम खाता हूं, I will never enter active politics.
और आपके नेता कहते थे कि मैं देश नहीं बिकने दूंगा, और आज पूरा देश बेच रहे हैं, सारे सरकारी संस्थान बेच रहे हैं, सारे भ्रष्टाचारी लोगों की गोदी में
Anmol, I've asked you again. Now I need my. Can I be on the screen? Thank you. What is the double randomization process? Sanju, can you be quiet for just 1 minute? Ramesh Sabharwal, Abhishek Sudhir. This challenge goes to Abhishek Sudhir, Ramesh Sabharwal, and I will give a chocolate to anyone who answers my question. Abhishek Sudhir, Ramesh Sabharwal, and I will give an Indian chocolate.
Arnab, I'll give you
Anmol,
2 chocolates.
what is the double randomization process?
Arnab, I'll give you 2 chocolates if you
What is
ask
the double
Sanju ji.
randomization process?
The double randomization process.
Yeah.
Yes, let me
Yeah.
answer. Anmol, let me answer.
What is the double randomization?
Basically,
Basically
you count
what?
the VVPAT. You can count 5 assembly segments. Any candidate who is contesting the election can go to the election commission, the strong room, on the day of counting and randomly ask for pick up 5 machines and say that the VVPAT should be counted.
So what?
I want my chocolate.
No, you won't get a
Between
chocolate.
I want my
Because you've not
chocolate.
given a wrong answer. Because you've given a wrong answer. Now I'll tell you why. The double randomization process, right, is a process which makes it impossible for any human being to find out which machine will be used in which constituency. You know, you understand this because, now don't look at me like that, Mrs. Sabharwal. If you, one minute. The double randomization process makes it impossible to find out which machine will be used in which constituency. This is used to safeguard which machines, so that machines cannot be pre-programmed
The point
to
is
cast
about
a ballot in favor of any one candidate.
Nobody's
If the
talking about-
machines cannot be pre-programmed, they cannot be pre-programmed.
Of course they can. Of course they can. When you input the symbol into the ballot unit,
any amount of logic.
when you input the symbol into the
What are you
ballot
talking
unit,
about, yeah?
that is human intervention. The Supreme Court has asked, does a human being input the symbols of the party? The human being
Anmol,
can input only lotuses.
No.
The human being can input only lotuses.
In a random manner. Votes are also
I'll
recorded
give
in a
you
random
one
Who programs
more
it? A human
if you
being.
want 2
That
chocolates.
human being
please ask
programs
Sanju.
it. That's what my question.
Anmol, you should not tell your voters not to vote. You are telling your voters not to vote. As a result, the BJP voters will vote. This will hit you in Delhi also.
If
not
votes are
said
recorded
that.
in
We
a
are winning
randomized
Delhi.
fashion, how can you
Abhishek, stop. Abhishek,
We are winning big time.
Anmol.
We are winning in Delhi and Punjab. You must not
Okay,
worry
viewers,
about that.
interesting first day.
Just look at the
Interesting,
recent,
yeah.
हम तो गुजरात जीतेंगे,
Best of luck to everyone,
Recent
but don't put a seed of doubt.
हम तो कर्नाटका जीतेंगे जी, हम तो उत्तराखंड जीतेंगे जी, धज्जियां उड़ गई उत्तराखंड में,
Okay, I
धज्जियां
thank you
उड़ गई
very much,
कर्नाटक में।
ladies and gentlemen,
आम आदमी पार्टी की।
and I wish you all a fantastic weekend.